Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your PrizePicks bank account. The first thing I want you to do is actually just log into your PrizePicks account. You can do this on your mobile phone. You can do this on the website as well, on the app or the website. So then you just come to the top left, you click on these three horizontal lines to access your menu. And then from this menu, come here and choose request withdrawal. Okay. And then here under withdraw funds, you'll see your saved methods. In your case, you'll see your bank account, right? And what you need to do is just click on that bank account, and then you'll get an option. You can manage bank, right? Just click on manage bank account or change bank. This will actually redirect you to AeroPay's secure portal. So then what you can do is unlink your old bank from there. You link your new bank account, you use your online banking information, or you can manually do this with your routing and account number. And once you have linked there with AeroPay, you just come back to PrizePicks, and your new bank will actually appear as the payout method right here. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.